Hi everybody, welcome to my presentation on New Directions and Checkers program at CBH Care, or Comprehensive Behavioral Health Care. The mission statement is to provide the optimum in behavioral health care that is aligned to consumers and community needs, and they will treat individuals, families, and community with respect and dignity regardless of race, gender, sexual orientation, disability, illness, or age, and they are committed to accessible health care services that are delivered in a cost-effective manner, and they provide this care with creative and responsive treatment strategies from people who are competent. New Directions is a therapeutic after-school program for adolescents who are in need of intensive structured therapy to address serious emotional and behavioral issues. This program provides community-based therapeutic services that may eliminate the need for more restrictive out-of-home interventions and placements and is relatively inexpensive. And Checkers or Comprehensive Therapeutic Services for Developmentally Disabled Adolescents with Psychiatric Needs works with developmentally disabled and lower functioning adolescents who require intensive structured therapy to address emotional and behavioral issues. And this is one-of-a-kind program for adolescents with complex needs that provides community-based specialized clinical services. These programs run Monday through Thursday, 4 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. There's family therapy sessions, intakes, evaluations, and psychiatric appointments that may be scheduled outside of regular program hours. Transportation's on a case-by-case basis with availability. There's monthly weekend recreational dinner outings, coordination, the immediate response to referrals, psychiatric evaluations and ongoing assessment, medication monitoring, individual, family, and group therapy, parent education groups and workshop groups, grief and loss, trauma and anger management groups, a point and level system to chart treatment progress. All adolescents start off at level 1, which is lowest, and start at level 4, which is the highest, where they have the most input into their treatment plan and the most privileges. And you have to be on level 2 to attend a monthly weekend recreational and or dinner outing. And with Checkers, it is a one-of-a-kind program providing specialized clinical services, and you have therapeutic activities designed to enhance communication and social skills like independent living, self-esteem, and anger management groups. When with all is done and said, if I take a hard look at these two programs, I say that we are applying services to consumers that we work with through group therapy sessions. So thus, we work from Quadrant A of Wood and Tooley's 2006 frame of reference model, or we work with clients on their own behalf. But when it comes to obtaining referrals, these programs work in Quadrant C, which is they work with others, or for example, non-clients for the benefit of the clients. They work with psychiatric hospitals, DCP&P, schools, concerned caregivers, CMOs, primarily based in Bergen and Passaic County, and through another program run through CBH Care called CARE, or Kearney Adolescent Residential Experience. I see an issue with maintaining and enforcing an impact with the consumers I work with if their caregivers are not enforcing and applying what they are taught at program. And many of the consumers desire to attend a New Directions program twice a week. Thus, I have to be analytical and chronological and observing the actual progress that is being made through written documentation. And there are many adolescents in the New Directions program, with different adolescents coming in Monday through Thursday, and the consumers typically attend the programs for 6 to 8 months to successfully complete it. Thus, it's going to be difficult to put names to faces. Yes, very difficult. Ethical concerns that I expect to encounter is a lack of diversity of staff at the New Directions and Checkers program. A lot of staff looks like me. So when it comes to ethnicity and socioeconomic status, I'm not going to be able to learn a lot from them. And some of the consumers attending the New Directions program are there involuntarily or court mandated. So it's going to be difficult to make a lasting impact with them. Feel free to call the New Directions and Checkers program at 201-646-0333 or go on cbhcare.com, and they're located in Hackensack. Here's the referrals page, Wood and Tooley and CompCare, and thank you.